Folks, we have an amazing announcement this morning. A terrific announcement this morning. First off, I want to thank and congratulate everyone in the past week that has decided to join our amazing community, the greatest community. The CRYPTOFACE community. I need to test. Let me test. I gotta see how everything sounds actually. Let me test the volumes real quick here. It's still morning, and so I gotta talk quiet. But let me check a few things. Bear with me. Screen's gonna go black. 1 second. Yeah, that's all good. Alright, whatever. Let me see how it sounds for me. It's not too early for bourbon. I'm already way ahead of you. You guys are crazy, man. You guys are great. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Yeah, I don't see what you guys are talking about. I'm too quiet, man. We're perfect here. 1, 2, mic check, 1, 2. Yeah, no, I've shaved on the way up. Took some profit, got back in, took some, got back in, pumped it up. Man, I was at 4.2 million earlier, and I shaved it off. I wish I was still, shit, we're up 7K, I can't really complain. Listen, folks, listen. I cannot be more satisfied and proud of the Market Cypher Discord, all the new people, the help everyone has been offering each other, minor flopping and groping. There's only been a few minor instances. Everyone's been respectful. No one's been talking dirty. We run a tight ship. We run the best ship. We run a clean ship. But I wish I could find it. There's so many people all the way back from like 2 days ago. Here's when I was 4.2. But when we were at 11,320, from what I recall. This must be it. The Discord during this time, like pros, what time frames? I don't remember which time. It had to be when we were at 11,300, people that were brand new with low experience caught on to it, and they said, yo, is this is looking good. This is looking like a long. They pulled the trigger. We had tight trigger waves on the 0 line. Beautiful. Multiple time frames. On the 6 hour, when this clipped. Beautiful. What else was there? There's a couple. Oh my God. The daily. Folks. The daily. Just the hourly was the one tonight. This was the one tonight that I am so proud of. My people, the community. I thank you all for being respectful, and we are so satisfied. And there's been so many people signing up every day. Sales are through the fucking roof. I'm not gonna lie. So what am I gonna do? End it? So we're gonna extend the 50% off, 40% off Market Cypher Indicator Package sale for another week. What I recommend for those of you who have now got a sweet taste is that you sign up and join the crusade, because I'm not paying 10% like a bitch like everybody else. I'm paying 15. Everyone else can hear me. I had to turn the music up. Okay, you guys have fucking hearing aids. I'm sorry. Anyways, I'll repeat that. For those of us that are a little older, excuse me, we're running a tight ship. I'm sorry, folks. I'm sorry. Now, a couple things. A, profit logs. This is a new Discord. There's a lot of channels and shit. A lot of shit you guys don't see that I see. Profit logs. Folks, post some profit logs. And folks, as I am doing unto you, blessing you, and I'm serious as a raccoon or a skunk blowing its ass on a porcupine, as I am blessing you, it is your duty, if you think they can do it, if you think someone has the discipline, a little common sense, that they can be cool, a little patient, sign up to be a reseller. You get your dashboard and all that shit, slaying that shit to your friends. This is there. It's no multi-level marketing. There's no tier scheme. It's just one level. You sign up someone with Market CIPHER, you get 15%. You get your back office. I'm gonna go make another cocktail. If you're Kyle, if you're getting the all jetpack systems go air bullshit, what you got to do is hit Control F5 or clear your cache. Do Control F5. It's GoDaddy bullshit. And what happened is like they didn't reset your system. Some shit. If that, or if you have a VPN, turn on your VPN, dude. Kyle Douglas. I went through hell with GoDaddy. And I'm leaving GoDaddy and switching hosting. We wanted to do it last week, but it was a nightmare. We had sales through the roof. So one thing at a time. Kyle, hit Control F5 or turn on your VPN, please. And it should work for you. Let me go make a drink. I'll be right back. folks, we're back. Drink it if you got it. Smoke it if you smoke it. Alrighty. Oh yeah. Yeah. There was someone in the Discord that was talking about this 5-minute, this beautiful, beautiful anchor trigger wave on the 5-minute that it was going to be a launch. I am so proud of you guys, man. I'm so fucking proud of you guys, man. Oh, it feels good. Man. There's nothing when the music goes from really good to shitty, that sucks, but nothing makes me feel better than when you guys, especially when we have a sale and a flood of new people come in of all different experiences. We have people, there's questions sometimes where I'm like, oh man, this guy's where they've never traded before. Which is okay. If you're gonna start somewhere, there is no better place to start than here. I promise you that. And can't ask for anything more. Thank you guys. Thank you for your business. It is my pleasure to serve. And I'm serving cupcakes, folks. Cream cheese cupcakes. Cream cheese. We've been bullish. If you've watched, so I'll tell you that I wanted to do a video for the past few days, each day, but every day I've been on another YouTuber's channel. I did a thing with Crow last night. So I haven't been able to actually do a video, and I want to do a video talking about extending the market CIPHER sale for another week. If you're just joining us, it's going on for another week. But the 4-day, folks. 4 days ago, remember this? I may have been on another YouTube. I was on Zombie. It was Crypto Zombies. Where I saw this live, right? Where I was like, oh, what is this? This is terrific news. Nice and tight. Oh, these are nice and tight. Pop. So we knew this has been coming. There was one on the, where's the trigger on the 30? Here it is. Look at this. A gentleman asked me in our Discord. It's very hard to see. Someone asked me in the Discord, is this a trigger wave? Does this count? And I was looking at it before he asked me that question, and I was thinking of the very same thing. And the answer is yes. See, we got the wave did come down, and boy, this is the tightest. And even if you just played that, look, even if you let it confirm, let's say you got it at the top, 11.472 to 11.551, 551. Some of you have watched this channel for a long time, maybe just decided to get in Market Cipher. You've been hearing me talk about, show these results and talk about how good it is. And now we have a nice new wave of noobs. Chat. Who is in this live chat right now that got Market Cipher within this last week? Just within this last week, if you're new to Market Cipher, and how do you feel? Be honest. Even if you think Market Cipher is shit, I'll tell you it's your problem. It's a problem with you. But I want to know what you really feel. If you've got Market Cipher this past week, what are your thoughts? Why? Waiting on Discord group. It should check your email, Dale. You get an email about it. The tutorial is out. Bro, stop. Please don't spam the chat. Putting you in timeout. Please don't spam. Not banning you, putting you in timeout. Yeah, there's a million videos about how to use it. Do you guys get the link for the tutorial in your email? And I'll show you what I'm talking about. I want to know, if you know what I'm talking about, did you get the Market Cipher user guide if you just got in this last week? And I'll show you what I'm talking about. This. Do you guys have this?
The yellow X is a bearish indicator and is intended to indicate high volume long covering that is rapidly bought up and sold short.
Oh man, I'm gonna have to get a voice actress for that. We're gonna have to get. Okay, so you got it from the Discord. Okay. Thank you for answering that question. I need to get that shit emailed to everybody. I'm posting it in the chat. There it is. It's in the YouTube live chat. Bookmark it. I'm taking a third profit. So we got 20K locked in. If you're just joining us, the 50% off, 40% off, 20% off, there's 50%, 40%, 20% off. We're running it for another week. I can't stop this sale. There's too many people signing up. It would be a shame for me to cut it. But in doing so, it is your duty. And I believe when you sign up, you automatically get an affiliate. You automatically have an affiliate ID through Tap Affiliate. You get an email from like Tap Affiliate. There's a dashboard, and I pay 15% in Bitcoin. I pay you in Bitcoin 15% at the end of the month, sometimes in the middle of the month. This month, so it's either going to be twice a month or once a month. 15%. We need to get paid 15% here. This doesn't give us enough info. So I gotta talk to my web team. I gotta make a phone call and put my foot up some ass. For you people. And I'll do it again. I'll put some foot up some ass for you guys any day. Every day. Yo, shit, I'm in other trades too. Fuck, I almost forgot. We're in ETH for 300. We got $300,000 ETH trade. $3,600 in profit. I've been in a shitter Ripple trade. Ripple, we're down $4,800. Boy, you want short? You're crazy, man. You're fucking crazy, dude. I don't know why you'd be shorting. You know, you might be able to get some good little scalps off of it, but we're in an uptrend and you're just causing yourself anxiety. Why put yourself in that situation? Do we see anything that's saying short? Not really. I don't see anything that's telling me to short. Nothing confirmed yet. This is the 15 second. It's gonna oscillate. There's gonna be breathers, but I ain't seeing nothing. I ain't seeing nothing that's telling me to short. And you know what? Even if it starts to curve down, we still have divergence. Let's say this starts to curve down. When the money flow starts to come down, that doesn't mean the price goes down instantly. The money flow will be down here and the price will still go up. There's still divergence still has to play out. I don't have any targets. I just go with what my indicator tells me, shows me. I don't believe, once in a while I'll have some kind of target, but again, I could not be more proud of everyone that has joined us this past week. And I've been in here making, signaling kind of what I've been doing. Not every single little move I do. I'm not here to hold your hand like a baby. But I will offer my hand and provide to the best ability that I can to share what I'm doing. But if you think I'm going to give you every little detail of where you should put a stop and what leverage you should do and how much you should do and when you should do it and what you're going to do, ain't going to happen. But ask the people this week, have I not giveth enough? Am I not merciful? Yes, Sean. Currently, we're not taking Bitcoin for market CIPHER. You know what? I need to put together another survey. It's time for a new survey. Cynthia's dead, Bald Mike. I can't. It doesn't scale. No exchange wants to touch it because it'll ruin their books. And I don't want the headache and legal shit that comes with it either. I gave it my best, but it's just not feasible. It's not feasible to scale. Music. Same as always. Dark Monkey music, folks. Dark Monkey music. Yeah, you know, I could have done something. I could have done it for like 500 or 1,000 people even, and charge a shit ton of money. But I don't want it. I don't want the headache. You know why? Because everyone. Yeah, I don't need to go into it. Just ain't worth it. Not worth the risk. Not worth the reward. Yeah, I'm telling you, you're better off just using Market CIPHER. My bot is still running. I still have my Cynthia, and she kicks ass. But 99.999% of the time, you're better off with Market CIPHER. Sticking to the plan. Watch the core strategy. Build off of that. Don't force trades. Wait for the 3-4 solid 3 or 4 things to go in the same direction. And for the most part, everyone's been doing it. You don't look at one indicator, go, oh, there's a green dot, I'm longing. You don't look at a blood diamond, go, there's a blood diamond, I'm shorting. You match. You go, okay, this shit's going up. Okay, there's a couple green dots. There's 3 or 4 things lining up. Bang. Standard market's open. Let me check my trading account. See how that pump's doing. So our standard markets are doing. We're up a little bit. I'm up 1.38% total in my standard assets. With Bitcoin, I'm up 43. Not including the 20%, 30%. We closed 1/3 of the trade live. So I'm actually up 60-something%. Yeah, Cynthia's my bot. And for damn near about a year, was working on scaling it and letting other people use my bot but it just can't work. And it can really murder exchanges, murder their market makers, ruin their books. I've been going over the steps. Yeah, let me give me like 1 minute. Let me take a drink, catch my breath, and we'll re-go over this, what I saw to that bit. We'll go over the whole spiel again. Bear with me. I'll be right back. Gentility, email the team. Email shittokens@gmail.com. I've been seeing you. You're a familiar face. Email the team. I'll be right back.
Something's going on in
I only use Market CIPHER. It's everything that I use. I don't need Fibonacci. I got everything I need here. And there's no point in adding more. Why do I trade when I have my bot trading for me? To me, that's like asking why I have multiple. Why would you want to have multiple incomes? Plus, I love trading. PH, I'm extending it for another week. In fact, is it in the description? No, I gotta put the links in the description. You're welcome. Thank you. Appreciate your business. It works with anything that can be charted. Gold, the S&P, cattle, COVID. That's right, I said COVID. Ooh, look what we have here on gold. Gold is going to pop. Mark my words. We're on the 12-hour. Beautiful anchor wave. Trigger, and these are very tight, folks. Gold, mark my words. Soon, any day now, is going to pop. Could be a little, could be a lot, but it is going to pop. Momentum was heading down, and now it is sharply coming back up. Look at the momentum waves. Pretend all you see are the blue waves. Let me make this bigger. You want me to show you how I make a trade? Just pretend you only see these blue waves. Coming down, and look, sharply coming right back up. This is gonna boom, boom, fucking blow. It's gonna pop. Gold. I am long on gold. It's gonna pop. It's 12 hours. Now, also, we can measure. We can measure. And bullish the next 2 weeks, month, eternity on gold. Let's look at the S&P. Thick. Funny. S&P's funny. Let's go to lower time frames. Oh, let me say this. When we are thick in the green or thick in the red on higher time frames, our lower time frames are sniping accurate, extremely accurate. You look for a good concaved wave, up or down, and go with it. Shit. And there's plenty of time frames. Scan all your time frames. Don't just use one. Not every time frame is going to give you a clear answer every minute, all the time. For example, the hourly looks clear, clean. This is a wave I would like. Now, you have money flow coming down here, anchor wave, trigger wave, right? That would be bearish. But here's the thing. You check your higher time frames. Shit, 6 hour. coming down. Zero line, point of resistance. Yeah, could certainly break through. What do the higher time frames show? Thick in the green. That's bullish. You basically fucking, if you have, excuse my French, if you have more macro time frames backing you up, it gives you more confidence for your trades. But if you are going to make a trade on the hourly, you want to stick with that time frame in that trade, which is why I always preach to have at least 3-4 trading accounts for different time frames. This is not the only account that I trade Bitcoin on. If I only had one account to trade Bitcoin, I would go insane. Am I on mute? Thank God. Here we go, baby. And another lesson, very important, even with Market Cipher, you have to be okay with knowing that you're not going to get the very top dollar penny or the very bottom dollar penny. You have to be okay with closing in profit and seeing the price go up or seeing the price go down. At the end of the day, the name of the game is accumulation, not desperation. We're just stacking it up. If I close this trade, who cares? I made 70, 80 grand. Sure, maybe the price goes up. I could have made 100, 150. You gotta be okay with that. Because more often than not, the price will go back down or back up, and you could have taken that money, but now you got nothing or you're in the red. So you really got to be cool with when you close a trade. If it goes up more, you could have made more, so be it. You're not going to get it exactly. But with Market Cipher, you're going to get closer than you would have before. Bet your ass. Take it. Bet. No, I'm not a social media guy. I have an Instagram that I was paying someone to do for me. It looks like shit. And so we gave up on that. No social media. YouTube. I don't have a Twitter. No Twitter. We got it. We're a Flintstone crew, man. It's me, my little brothers, my right-hand man. Couple guys that we employ with us. So if you want us, we're on YouTube and in our Discord. Let's see if we got any profit logs. Is it locked? Can you guys not see? Can you guys not post in this? Are you able to see? Are you guys able to post in the profit logs in Market Cipher? Nathan, the Discord isn't public anymore, dude, because we had spammers and bots and scammers and bad people that would come in. And so the Discord is just for people that sign up with Market Cipher or my trade group. And yeah, just too much shenanigans. Dude, I'm banning you, dude. You throw your shit, dude. Get out of here, dude. I don't tolerate that. I don't tolerate that stuff. That's not what I don't know. I tell you, folks, we run a tight ship. I don't have time or patience. I don't have time or patience, and neither do you. Neither do you. There's a million other channels and communities where you can go and troll, be a douche, and be a beggar. This is not one. Zori's, yeah, I play video games. Okay, well, folks, I know everyone's new, so we got to get used to posting some profit logs here, folks. Teslamonials, please be honest. Please be honest. But, man, when you guys post these, we put them on our website, and I show them on the channel all the time. And it really helps me because it shows that you guys are real, and I'm not paying some fake. There's so many fake reviews out there, and it's a darn shame, but these are real. So please post, but don't make shit up. Don't be like, oh, CryptoFace, maybe $1 million. Be real. Nah, I already got my own. K Dubs, me and him are friends. Trust me. He follows my path. Keith Warren. Yeah, I give him ideas. He trying to suckle off my teeth. You send him the message. Keith, I got this teat right here for you. I know you've been sucking it, but you're my dude, bro. You want to suck the other one? Come in here trying to advertise shit, I'm kicking you out. Same rules. My YouTube chat's the same as my community. Just, dude, come in here spamming. Come in here trying to sell shit or advertise or leech off of my community. It ain't gonna happen. I didn't do it when I was coming up. I may have a couple times way back in the day, but nothing. I hate it when people try to leech. Do it yourself. I did it. You can do it. How do you change background trading from white to blue? In settings. There is no target. Target's when my indicator tells me. I already took 1/3 profit. I closed 1/3 of my trade. I don't have targets most of the time. When my indicator gives me signs that, or if I just feel like it, or if I gotta go, or here, what I suggest is when it makes a move, take the profit. But this has been building up, folks. This has been, and we've been seeing this with Bitcoin repeatedly. It's been making the falling kind of expanding wedge, bounces, and it's built this up. So you look at these pumps, they're frail. Look at the candles. They're wickety and frail and short. Starting with the first one, this is the most wickety and frail. This one was a little stronger. This one is the strongest. See how it's... So this is what I look for a breakout. I think we might not. I'm not saying it's gonna break out, but I closed 30% of my trade, 33%, and I'm chilling here with the rest. What do you mean the well-being and 5-bit? No, they're doing fine. So right now my entry, if this is to pull back, I'm looking at this line. Like if this is to kind of pull back down here, still be at 11,005. So
Chrysology music. Facts 3 off. Thrust them, original mix. Reflect records.
It's techno time with Malatoid Sound.
Alrighty. Let's take a look here at nice sign right here. Love seeing a little green dot right here. Means we could be clipping up, just like that one right there, that one right there. Shit, that one right there. We are in the green. VWAP coming up on ETH on the weekly, man. Beautiful doji candle coming from a reversal. ETH. Like in the weekly. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 indicators right there for you. That's basically what it takes. Money flow going up, VWAP coming up, green dot right there, beautiful. Little doji. 4. Just like Bitcoin, 4 is our favorite number. Still looking at ETH. Enhancing, 6 day, same picture, nice. Beautiful, 4 day. Beautiful trigger wave, see our VWAPs coming up. Very nice. Nice, not bad. Good little pattern here. This is gonna pop up. ETH's looking great. A little choppy. We look for better, smoother waves here to make any rash decisions. Smooth this. So this is an example of like not waves I really like to use. These are choppy, small. So I would look at another time frame in this area. Same thing here on the 4 hour, kind of choppy. Not bad here. Not bad. Let's compare the other previous waves. About the same length. That one was good. This one went good. This one went okay. Still up. This one. ETH's going up. Is it going up right now? As we speak? I have a shitter long in Ripple. Ripple, we'll take a look at Ripple next because I'm in this Ripple trade for 171,000. It's down 5 grand. Ripple hasn't been really moving. Well, it's moving down. Was moving down. Hourly. Look at these blue waves. They look good. These look good. Heat's going up. Ripple. We're gonna start on the hourly. Good. Look at that. Beautiful. This is what I look for. A nice wave. I'm looking along right in here. This is a nice form of a steep mountain. We love steep mountains. Trigger waves can be on the same. Look at that. Bop, 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 bop. Bop. This is going up. Let's go to larger time frames. Ooh, 4 hour ripple. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is going up. That was 5 days. So, oops.
You are listening to Malatoid Sound.
Started up here, came down. That was 7.5%. So if the wave is the same from the zero line, yeah, that looks about right. Boom. This is our target. In the next, within 5 days, ripple, boom, 0.26848. See how I did that? I need to do a video on this. I did one a long time ago, but what we did, am I on mute? No. Is measure the time length of our momentum wave and the price that goes along with it. So we're measuring the strength of this wave, because this wave could go deep and the price moves just a little bit. So what I'm doing is estimating the price movement with the momentum wave and basically mimicking this wave or something close. Yeah, so I'm aiming for 0.26 is, where did I get this shit a trade? 2552. Right about here, so we're looking for a 3% gain. We got some area to make up here. Beautiful doji candle on Ripple. Yeah, baby. Ripple's looking good. Good to see you too, NH. Just joining us, the market CIPHER blowout sale. I'm extending it for another week because of the results and the amount of people signing up. You will get the Discord community group invite in your email when you sign up. There's 24 hours paid customer service and assistance. Don't come in here if you're looking to troll. Fireside voice is where like this is where the hangout is. Whoops, fireside chat, I mean. Shit, I'm in voice right now. Be respectful. Be an adult. Be cool. Be nice to people if they have a question. Don't answer a question if you don't know the answer 100%. Nothing bothers me more than when someone asks a question, someone gives a wrong answer. That pisses me off. This is my indicator package myself and my partner created called Market CIPHER. It is everything you see here. Tutorials. Comes with plenty of tutorials. Comes with the most kick-ass user guide in the industry.
Indicator is a group of exponential moving averages of different lengths. They are used to determine the strength of a trend by comparing the distance between them.
Let's turn this shit up. If you signed up last week, shout it out in the chat. Let them know how you're doing. And join the crusade. If you sign up someone else in Market CIPHER, you get 15%. We pay you 15% in Bitcoin. Bitcoin checks go out once a month, sometimes twice a month. I gotta put more info here. But it is your duty, if you can help someone that you know can do it,
Malatoid Sound.
bless them like I have blessed you. The link is in the description. MarketCipherTrading.com. I'm gonna have to do a testimonial thing where like I have some of you guys come on, talk about your experience. Would any of you guys be down for that? I would love to pay. I would even pay, but I think people would be like, oh, you paid a testimonial, you paid him off to say good things. So I'd have to figure some other way to reward you, or I don't know.
Exclusive releases by Pressology.net.
Listen, when we did our survey, over 70% of people using MarketCipher had less than 2 years of experience. 34% had less than 6 months. So, yet we have an 82% satisfaction rate. 82%. I'm gonna have to do another survey go around here. But there's people who've never traded before, and they're in the Discord. Not encouraging it. But if you, like I said, if you want to be a successful trader and you are going to have MarketCipher, that's your first step. Number 2 is, are you a cool person? Are you not a beta? And we all have emotions, but don't be a troll, be cool, don't risk everything, don't be a fool. So if you're just cool, you're level-minded, or, you know, you guys get what I'm saying, then you can do it.
Malatoid Sound.
There's a reason why we don't do Bitcoin payments right now. I'm working on it, but it's a tax hell. It's hell for taxes. Get a gift card, a Visa gift card, put some shit on it. You can figure it out. But like I said, if it's the only way, email the team. We'll see if we can figure it out. But there's reasons for everything, guys. Like, trust me. The Discord isn't open anymore to the public because we have scammers and bots, shitters, people impersonating us. There's people who got scammed for thousands of dollars because Discord people are able to have my username and they'd fool good people into giving them money. So No more. That Discord is for paid community members. I wish I could have it open, but it's just because bad eggs ruined it for the bunch. Thanks, Custom PC, man. It's always good seeing you. If you are in the live chat and you got Market Cypher this past week, say what your experience has been. This music took a turn for the worse. Murdering it. I'm so proud of you guys. There's nothing else to really say. Yeah, Mike, so what it is, it's actually a simplified, when it's green, this is the one I pay attention to. When it's green, it's oversold, red, overbought. So it's like the RSIs, but conjoin the one. The one, there are two different RSIs. The one I use is the green and red one. So when it's green, oversold, red, overbought. This is not TA or FA. In the CryptoFace community, we use MA, money analysis. We follow the money. We're the missing link, folks. I just started that one a few days ago. I came up with that myself. I used it on an interview 3 days ago. All these stupid indicators, people use Fibonacci and even RSIs. I hate RSIs. Everything sucks. And none of them follow the money. None of them. You're overthinking it. Because there's power, there's power, momentum. Focus on driving the car, not the engine. That's what I would say, Mike. See, now we're seeing that this could be a little top. Probably going to go down a little bit. Probably won't be much, but we'll go ahead and take a little more profit. Take another 1/3. Damn, that was a lot. Well, I'm still in for 1.6. Closed out 35K, locked profit. Still got 32 left. Go refill my drink. I'll be right back.
You are listening to Malatoid Sound Lounge.
Alrighty, I'm back. If you're just joining us, we are extending the sale for one more week. The ultimate user guide, unlike anything, no one else has anything like this. Interactive. Alright, I'm gonna go eat breakfast and this music sucks. Took all the energy out. But, guys, I couldn't be more proud and thankful. We've had waves of people come to pass from sales for whatever in our trade groups, and this has been the best wave, the least flopping and groping. Haven't had to ban anyone. This music is pissing me off. Jesus. God, I can think. Anyways, extend the sale for one more week. Description, the website's in the description. Thank you guys, and we're gonna keep kicking ass. No one does it like we do. See you guys on the flip side.